Hello guys, Joester here, welcome back to the channel. So recently I purchased a motorcycle, so obviously I started buying all kinds of accessories for it. But something that I wanted the most was a pair of headset so I can listen to music, answer phone calls, and communicate with other riders like my brother. These are the Lexin G2 dual pack with Bluetooth 5.0 that can connect up to 6 people and talk between 2 riders. They have up to 1.2 mile range, FM radio capabilities, universal pairing that can work with other brands. It has an IP67 waterproof grade, so it works fine under the rain. It has 800 milliamp battery rated to last from 13 to 18 hours working time or up to 7 days in standby mode. And there are also 40mm HD speakers built in that sound very loud and clear. All of the accessories are included, like the charging USB cable, the headphones and microphone, mounting brackets, and 6 different color shells. To charge the headset, you use the USB Type-C cable included. I tried to use another cable that I have, but it didn't fit the port, so be sure to use the one that is included. Then I changed the shell so I can distinguish one from another. Now to pair the headset, on your phone you have to press and hold the X button when the headset is off until the light starts flashing red and blue. Then it should appear on your phone under Lexin G2, pair it, and that's it. Very simple. The microphone connects via USB Type-C and it comes with 2 options. One mic can be installed inside the helmet and the other one outside for modular helmets. The speakers are very small, but they sound loud and clear. Here's a little sample. Now to pair both headsets together, you press and hold the rear button until the X light lights up red and blue, and right immediately do the same on the other headset and you're done. The installation process is very easy. First I remove the inner pads on each side of my helmet, then I install the speakers. It is important to know where you want to install the headset, left or right of the helmet. Based on that, you also install the speakers with the longer wire on the opposite side of the headset so it can reach. I also installed the microphone which goes inside the helmet and install the pads back again. Before the installation, make sure you clean the surface with alcohol and install the headset. After that, I connect the cables to the headset. There is only one way to do this, so don't force it. Now all I need to do is to hide the wires so they're not loose back there. Alright, so here comes the moment of truth. I want to see how it fits in my ears, if it's comfortable, how it sounds. So everything is plugged in, everything is connected. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So first of all, I do feel the headset. It's a little tiny bit on the top of my ears. Just a little tiny bit. Barely even noticeable. But I know they're there. I can feel it. It's still very comfortable. Still very comfortable. The microphone is sitting right in front of my mouth. I can feel it when I talk, obviously. And hopefully it's not that I don't make a lot of noise with my beard when I'm talking to someone. But it's there. I can feel it, but it's just not uncomfortable. So now I want to, let's turn it on. Okay, now it connects to my phone right away. This is super fast. Another thing I like is how big these buttons are. They're very nice and pronounced. There's on top right here the connection and button, and then there's volume up and down. It's very simple. It's just 4 buttons: volume, connection to the other headset, and then like this big X button. So now it's connected to my phone, and when you press the X button once, right away I'm listening to music. I'm listening to the Depeche Mode right now, and it's just so fast. If I want to pause the music, press it again, and it's paused. It's gone. Oh my god, I love this. So another thing I wanted to do is to connect to the other headset to see how it sounds. Let me turn on the other headset. Power on. And make sure that it was fully charged. So now the other headset is connected with the microphone as well. And all you have to do to communicate with this other headset is just to press this back button right here. So let's press it. And I hear a series of beeps, and wow, here I am talking to myself. I mean, as of right now, I don't have anyone to test this with. Maybe my brother will help me later on, but you guys can hear it. This is loud. Very nice and clear. And here is the microphone right here. So if I get it closer together, oh. Wow, this is super easy. Let me press this. And I say we are disconnected. So you don't have to press and hold to communicate with others. Just press it once and it connects automatically right away to the other headset, and it's super loud. Now, another thing I wanted to mention is the sound from these speakers. It's very loud, very clean. I mean, they said they claim that it's HD speakers, and they truly are. The music, it's clean, it's loud. I don't usually listen to music while I'm writing. I want to listen to the environment outside. But if you're one of those writers that do want to listen to your music while writing, this is one of the best headset. So small, so tiny, but the sound, it's beautiful, excellent. So if you're interested in buying a pair of this headset, I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's for an eBay store. They sell for $110. Honestly, the price is great for what you're getting. Is great, and you can also buy them individually. For each one of these kits, they sell for $60, but you can buy up to 6 people, so 6 writers can pair, but only 2 can talk to each other. But you can buy them separately, or you can buy them in pack. You can buy them like a duo. The dual pack sells for $110, which I think is a great price. So there you have it, guys. If you're interested in buying one, links are going to be in the description of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out!